I bought news from here to here, the back of the garage wall. Yeah, my first house after they put in the plumbing, it all floated up because it rained. Let's go closer to the wall. Okay.
Okay, hold me there.
We did it once and then we checked it. So I don't know if that counts as a single or a double. Okay.
You're burning me a foot. Okay. Tell me when you like it.
So the house is 53?
Yep.
Huh.
I got another one now.
Good. Lindsay said if she changed anything to our house, she would add an. Talking to him. What are you doing? You didn't go to work today? Oh. Thought I saw you in the 4Runner earlier drive by.
Okay.
I broke Reed's drone.
You did? Go to the string line. Let's hit 453.
Power line? Hit that.
Right,
flipped over, hit the trailer, flipped over, hit the truck, flipped again, hit the ground. I'm going to have to buy it from them. If they're going to fix it for me, it's going to take 2 to 3 months before they'll even let me ship it to them.
That's perfect.
Yeah.
So we're square with what we did with those strings. That's kind of surprising.
Yep.
Hey, good morning. It's 50 and Bubba. Thank you, Richfield. You're checking in. Thank you for having it on 97.7. The Wolf.
Okay. Yeah, good.